guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare sweet and sour fish sauce. You are going to love every bit of it. Before we go on, please subscribe, share this video, click on the bell icon, leave a comment. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this fresh fish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them into pieces. Now you can take the bones from it, but because I'm going to eat it myself, I didn't bother to take out the bones. But if you're making it for someone or even for yourself, you can decide to take the bones out. So I just decided to cut them into pieces this way. I'm adding salt to it, and then I'm going to add flour to it to coat it very well so that it can fry very well. So I'll mix it, apply it on it very well. I have my oil on fire and I'm going to fry this. Yes, please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. So we are frying our fish, and so the fish is now ready. I'm going to take it out of the oil, and we are going to start with our sweet and sour sauce. Very simple and tasty recipe. Okay, so this is our fish. After I realized that the oil is too much, so I'll just pour some and then leave a little in the pan, and that's what we are going to use. So I'm adding my chopped onions to the pan, that is to the oil in the pan on fire. I'm going to add my chopped carrot also to it, and then I'll stir it together, cover, and then let it cook for about a minute or two, and that'll be okay. Then we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients also to it. Please leave a comment, okay? Even if it's an emoji, that will be fine. Okay, share this video. So I'm adding my bell peppers and my cucumbers also to it. And I'm going to add black pepper and white pepper. These are all natural ingredients, spices. Okay, so I'm going to add chili. Yes, I want a bit of hotness in it, so I just chopped some red chilies and then added to it. Okay, so I'm going to cover for a minute. I'll add my all-purpose seasoning to it, stir this together, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my fried fish also to it. Do you get it? So that it can the sauce can coat it and blend the aroma, the taste will blend. Do you get it? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to mix my liquid that I'm going to add. So this is lemon. That is what is going to give it the sour taste, and then that's lemon juice. So I'm going to add pineapple juice also. So I added pineapple juice. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of the dark soy sauce. Yes, dark soy sauce. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Yes, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then I'll add 1 full tablespoon of honey. Yes, so I'm going to add honey to it. Mix it very well, and I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yes, and then I'll mix it very well. Mix everything for it to be smooth, the cornstarch to melt and be smooth. Okay, so after this we are going to go straight to our vegetables and fish on fire. So this is it. Okay, and so vegetable, I'm just adding cabbage to it. The moment you add cabbage, then it means you are going to complete it. So I just added some chopped pineapples also. When you add the cabbage, you don't need to let it be on fire for long. So the next I'm going to add is the liquid that we mixed. So I just added a little bit of water, and then I'm going to add the liquid that we mixed. Okay, yes, add 8 to 8, and then I'm going to add my sliced onions or chopped onions, and then spring onions. Mix it together. I'll cover for 2 to 3 minutes, and that'll be it. Yes, this doesn't need to be on fire for long. If not, your vegetables will melt on fire. You won't get the crunchiness. Do you get it? Okay, so I'm going to cover this for some few minutes, like 1 to 3 minutes, and that is it. So this is it. Our sauce has taken up. Everything is okay. Yes, so this is our sweet and sour sauce. You see, very simple to make, and the ingredients are easy to come by. You can use any vegetable you desire. Do you get it? If you're a vegetarian, you can omit the fish and it will be fine. Do you get it? So this is our sweet and sour fish sauce. Very tasty. You can serve this with your rice and you will love it. You can serve it with your pasta or spaghetti and you are going to love it. The taste was awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Please share this video, like and leave a comment. Bye bye.